Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Samsung TV not connecting to Verizon router. So here's a guide for your Wi-Fi, DNS, and IP settings. Step 1. Restart your TV and Verizon router. Turn off your Samsung TV, unplug the Verizon router for 30 to 60 seconds. Plug the router back in and wait until it's fully online. Turn off the TV and try connecting again. Fix 2. Check the Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Verizon router is broadcasting the Wi-Fi network and confirm you are selecting the correct network name, SSID. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Fix 3. Forget and reconnect to the network. On your Samsung TV, go to Settings, select General, and then go to Network and select Network Status. Choose Reset Network or forget the saved Wi-Fi network if available. Scan for your Wi-Fi again. Re-enter the password and reconnect. Fix 4. Move the TV closer to the router. Move the TV closer to the Verizon router if possible. Remove obstacles like walls or large furniture between the TV and the router. If needed, use a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system to improve coverage. Fix 5. Check the router's Wi-Fi settings. For 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands are enabled. WPA2 or WPA2 or WPA3 security is being used for older Samsung TVs which may not support WPA3 only. On MAC address filtering is disabled or your TV is allowed to connect. Fix 6. Update the TV software. Go to Settings, select Support, and then go to Software Update. Select Update now, install any available updates, and restart the TV. Fix 7. Test a wired connection. Connect the TV directly to the Verizon router with an Ethernet cable. If the wired connection works, the issue is likely related to the Wi-Fi signal or wireless settings. Fix 8. Reset network settings on the TV. Open Settings, go to General and select Network. Select Reset Network. Restart the TV and reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Fix 9. Restart the Verizon router. Restart the router again. Check for firmware updates through the router's admin page or the My Verizon app if available. Fix 10. Factory reset the TV. Go to Settings, select General, and then go to Reset. Enter your TV pin. Default is 0000 unless you changed it. Complete the reset and set up the TV again. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.